Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comment. So let's see what we'll be expecting this week on GBP USD. So let's start with our full trend on GBP USD. Our full trend on GBP is actually on an uptrend move. You can see that we are having something like this, the impulse move, then we had the corrective move here, then an impulse move played out. Then we had the corrective move, impulse move also played out. Then here comes the corrective move, impulse move played out. Markets ranging within this level before we'll be expecting new impulse move. So our forecast or our trend on GBP USD is actually on an uptrend. So let's see what we'll be expecting this week. Just we are seeing right here, this should be our rejection zone, which we might call the demand zone. So from this level, we should be expecting new impulse move as we take out this 2 IC. I see this as a liquidity zone. 1, 2, market should push up and take out this, forming a new high. So this week, we'll be expecting a bullish move GBP USD.